Good morning. Hope you had a good first day of school. So here's a plan for Wednesday, September 9th. So you're going to be working on a lab equipment assignment. All right, so when you go to Schoology, in the September 9th folder, you're going to find this screencast along with this lab equipment assignment. So when you click on that lab equipment assignment, it'll open up to something that looks like this. Yours will look a little different, but it'll have the link to the template right here that you'll have to work with, and then it has the directions. So when you click on that link, this template will open up, and this is where you're going to be doing your work. So you have to start by making a copy of this. This will be view only for you when you first open it up. So make a copy of it, make it your own, and then I suggest you make sure you keep your Google Drive organized. You're going to get a lot of this stuff. And then you're going to start working through the slides. So you want to use the slides that are provided. And then these are the pieces of lab equipment down here at the bottom of the page that I want you to look into. So you're going to do the 13 that are listed, and then you have an option of 2 more from the list at the end. And then you're going to fill in these slides. So for the equipment name, you're just going to get rid of that, and you're going to type in your Bunsen burner or the flask or whatever you're doing. So it'll be something like this, right? And then you're going to insert a picture, and then what I would do is just drag and drop a Google image right there. And then you want to answer these 2 questions. You want to say, what's its primary use? Just quickly list that there. And then what's one other piece of lab equipment that it can be used with? You want to list that right there. At the bottom of the page, I want you to just make a copy and paste the website that you're using to find this information. Probably get it in one website. If it's multiple, then put both of or whatever you need down here. All right. So 1 or 2 websites should do the trick to get all the information that you need. And then you're going to have to do 15 of these. So just go through each of these. The slides are all set up for you. There's 15 there. And then when you're all done, you're going to go back to Schoology, and you'll have a submission tab over here. If you have issues, I know this is the first Schoology assignment of the year. If you're having issues on how to submit, just let me know. All right. But I can help you with that. And again, any questions, please let me know what they are. I'm here to help you out. All right. Have a great day. Bye.